Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open Steam and search for Asu. In the store, then click Install to add the game to your library. Allow the installer to download roughly 200 MB and agree to the end-user license agreement. This initializes updates and dependencies. After installation, run Asu once from Steam to complete the initial setup and create the Asu user folder. This first run configures basic settings and downloads necessary runtime files. Quit the client when prompted and prepare to import bitmaps, skins, and configure input for full play. Open Options and set your resolution to 1920x 1080 if supported, then target 120 FPS for smooth tracking and low input lag. In the Input section, choose your primary device, mouse, tablet, touchscreen, or keyboard, and adjust sensitivity until cursor movement feels natural. Bind keys for Hit 1 and Hit 2, or configure 4-key or 7-key layouts for Asu. Mania. Save profiles for different playstyles. Use the offset test and tweak by 50 ms increments until hits align with audio. Enable raw. Choose between the 4 modes: Standard, Taiko, Catch the Beat, and Asu. Mania. Each mode uses distinct inputs and scoring. Download beatmaps in client or import. AS files directly into the songs folder. The client will scan and list new maps automatically. Use practice mode to rehearse difficult sections at speeds from 10% to 200% and place bookmarks to loop short phrases. Track your accuracy and combo to measure improvement. Enable leaderboard replay watch to study top players, and gradually increase difficulty to build consistency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.